TOEFL practice. Structure and written expression. Test A. Part 1. Structure. Instruction. Questions 1 until 15 are incomplete sentences. Choose the one word or phrase that best completes the sentence. Example. Geysers have often been compared to volcanoes. They both emit hot liquids from below the Earth's surface. A. Due to. B. Because of. C. In spite of. D. Regardless of. This sentence should read: Geysers have often been compared to volcanoes because they both emit hot liquids from below the Earth's surface. Therefore, you should choose B. Number 1. Andy Warhol was in the pop art movement who was known for his multi-image silkscreen paintings. A. That one of a leading figure. B. A leading figure. C. Leading figures. D. Who leads figures. The correct answer is B. A leading figure. Andy Warhol was a leading figure in the pop art movement who was known for his multi-image silkscreen paintings. Number 2. Even with vast research, there is still a great deal that is known about the workings of the human brain. A. Neither. B. None. C. No. D. Not. The correct answer is D. Not. Even with vast research, there is still a great deal that is not known about the workings of the human brain. Number 3. The United States consists of many different immigrant groups. Many sociologists believe there is a distinct national character. A. In spite of. B. Despite. C. Even though. D. Whether. The correct answer is C. Even though. Even though the United States consists of many different immigrant groups, many sociologists believe there is a distinct national character. Number 4. Typically, in meadows or damp woods and bloom in the spring. A. Wild violets grow. B. Wild violets growth. C. Growing wild violets. D. The growth of wild violets. The correct answer is A. Wild violets grow. Typically, wild violets grow in meadows or damp woods and bloom in the spring. Number 5. The artworks of Madeline and Woolwich are characterized by strong, dark colors and fine attention to patterns of light. The viewer's eye. A. That attract. B. When attracted. C. Which attraction. D. Attract to. The correct answer is A. That attract. The artworks of Madeline and Woolwich are characterized by strong, dark colors and fine attention to patterns of light that attract the viewer's eye. Number 6. A grass-eating, river-dwelling mammal, the hippopotamus. To the pig. A. Being related. B. Is related. C. Relate. D. Relating. The correct answer is B. Is related. A grass-eating, river-dwelling mammal, the hippopotamus is related to the pig. Number 7. Woodrow Wilson. As governor of New Jersey before he was elected President of the United States in 1912. A. To have served. B. Who has served. C. Serving. D. Served. The correct answer is D. Served. Woodrow Wilson served as governor of New Jersey before he was elected President of the United States in 1912. Number 8. Fish in Great Salt Lake, but its waters do contain small brine shrimp. A. Why no? B. No. C. Not only. D. There are no. The correct answer is D. There are no. There are no fish in Great Salt Lake, but its waters do contain small brine shrimp. Number 9. An etude is a short musical composition written especially a particular technique. A. Enables students practicing. B. Enables students practicing. C. Enables students to practice. D. To enable students to practice. The correct answer is D. To enable students to practice. An etude is a short musical composition written especially to enable students to practice a particular technique. Number 10. Seldom. Games been of practical use in playing real games. A. Theories of mathematics. B. Theorized as mathematics. C. Has the mathematical theory of. D. The mathematical theory has. The correct answer is C. Has the mathematical theory of. Seldom has the mathematical theory of games been of practical use in playing real games. Number 11. The city of Kalamazoo, Michigan, derives its name from a Native American word. Bubbling Springs. A. Meant. B. Meaning. C. That it meant. D. Whose meaning. The correct answer is B. Meaning. The city of Kalamazoo, Michigan, derives its name from a Native American word meaning bubbling springs. Number 12. Jet propulsion involves of air and fuel, which forms a powerful exhaust. A. A mixture is ignited. B. To ignite a mixture. C. A mixture of igniting. D. The ignition of a mixture. The correct answer is D. The ignition of a mixture. Jet propulsion involves the ignition of a mixture of air and fuel, which forms a powerful exhaust. Number 13. Salt is manufactured in quantities that exceed those of most other commercial chemicals. A. Of all not. B. Not if all are. C. Are not all. D. If not all. The correct answer is D. If not all. Salt is manufactured in quantities that exceed those of most, if not all, other commercial chemicals. Number 14. The United States consists of 50 states. Has its own government. A. Each of which. B. Each they. C. They each. D. Each of. The correct answer is A. Each of which. The United States consists of 50 states, each of which has its own government. Number 15. Though smaller than our solar system, a quasar, which looks like an ordinary star, emits more light. Galaxy. A. Than an entire. B. Entirely as. C. That the entire. D. Entirely than. The correct answer is A. Than an entire. Though smaller than our solar system, a quasar, which looks like an ordinary star, emits more light than an entire galaxy. That's the end of our practice. Thanks for joining us today. See you again in the next video.